Today we will see how to square any two-digit number mentally. In my previous video, we have seen squaring of any number that ends in 5. But what happens if a number doesn't end in 5 and we have to square it? So today we will learn the steps to do that. Let us take an example. Suppose we have to find the square of, say, 24. Okay, now there are two ways. First we will do the traditional way. How in traditional way we find the square of 24. One way is you do 2 by 2 multiplication of 24. This is one of the ways. And the second way is this 24 can be written as 20 plus 4 whole square. Okay, we know the formula of a plus b whole square. This is an algebraic identity, and a plus b whole square is square of a plus 2 times the product of a and b plus the square of b. We will apply the same formula for 20 plus 4 whole square. So what do we get? 20 square plus 2 times 20 times 4 plus 4 square. And we have to add all three of them. So let us write down one below the other. So 20 square is 400. 2 times 20 times 4 is 160 and 4 square is 16. And when we add it, we get a 6, 7 and a 5. So this is the systematic traditional approach for solving the question. Either you do a 2 by 2 multiplication or you do it by this way. Now, how do we do it mentally in just one step? Let us just see. So, we have taken 24 as a number, 24 square, and what we have got the result as 5, 7 and 6. Let us see how do we get 5, 7, 6. What is the first step? The first step is to square 2. The square of 2 is 4. Okay, let me just write. Yes, 5, 7, 6. So first thing is to square 2. For each digit I'll separate it by a bar. The ones digit is obtained by squaring the 4. And what comes here is this term. So we will do 2 into 2 into 4. Okay, let us see. What is 2 square? 4. What is 4 square? 16. And here we get a 16. Now, this one will be added to this 16. This one will be added to this 4 because these will be the carryovers. So, what do we get? We get this 6 which is here. 1 plus 6 gives us a 7 which is here. And 1 plus 4 gives us a 5 which is here. So, we are able to find the square of 24 in just 2 steps rather than doing all the steps or maybe by a 2 by 2 multiplication. Let us understand it more with the help of one more example. Say we have to do 76 square. Okay, we'll write 76. 7 square 49. 6 square, this is 6 square, this is 7 square, 36. Now here will be 2 into 7 into 6 which gives us a 84. 3 carryover gets added to 4 and 8 is the carryover which gets added to 9. Okay, so we will perform an addition here and an addition here. So this 6 comes as it is. 4 when added to 3 gives us a 7. 8 when added to 9 gives us a 17. So 1 goes in the carry again and we have this 4. This 4 and this 1 of the carry combines to give you a 5. So our answer is 5, 7, 7, 6. I hope squaring a two-digit number is very clear to everyone. Let us quickly do one more example. Let me give you a question. Okay, so I would like you to square 92. You have to find the square of 92. Okay, you can pause the video, solve the question and keep your answer ready. Now let us see how do we find the square of 92. So what is the first step? Find the square of the first digit, find the square of the last digit, and in between find the 2 times the product of the two digits. So this gives us an 81, this gives us 36, and this gives us a 4. Okay, so 4 is as it is. Whenever we have two digits here, the 10th digit will go as the carryover. Then 6 will come here. This 3 will get added to 1 to give us a 4, and this 8. So 92 square is 8464. So I hope squaring any number, even if it doesn't end in 5, you have learned how to square it using the Vedic math way. If you have any doubts regarding squaring the number or you need more such mental calculation tricks, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel Mathacademy. If you have liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Thank you.